In the lush, verdant countryside of Wiltshire, England, a monument of ancient mystery stands tall and proud, defying the passage of time, Stonehenge. For centuries, the colossal stones that make up this prehistoric monument have fascinated historians, archaeologists, and tourists alike, leaving them in awe of the enigma that is Stonehenge. The monument, with its distinctive circle of standing stones, has been a fixture in the landscape for over 5,000 years, its origins shrouded in mystery and myth. Various theories abound, each one attempting to unravel the complexities of this ancient enigma. During the Neolithic Age, around 3000 BC, Stonehenge began to take shape. The first stones, known as bluestones, were transported from the Preseli Hills in Wales, a journey of around 240 miles. Archaeologists believe that these stones were moved using a combination of wooden slings, rollers, and water, a feat of engineering that still leaves many in awe today. As construction continued, so too did the purpose of the monument. Some believe it may have served as a burial ground for important leaders, while others propose it could have been an astronomical observatory, used to track the movements of the sun and moon. One intriguing theory suggests that Stonehenge was a place of healing, where the ancient people came to seek the aid of the gods in times of illness and distress. Throughout the centuries, Stonehenge has been a place of worship, a site of battle, and a monument to the ingenuity of mankind. Yet, despite the many theories and discoveries, the true purpose of Stonehenge remains elusive, a testament to the enduring allure of the unknown. In the 21st century, technology has allowed us to delve deeper into the mysteries of Stonehenge. Ground-penetrating radar has revealed hidden chambers beneath the ground, while DNA analysis has provided insights into the origins of the bluestones. Yet, with each discovery, the questions only deepen, the enigma of Stonehenge continuing to captivate and confound. In the heart of Wiltshire, the stones of Stonehenge stand tall, a silent testament to the past, a monument to the mystery that is humanity. As we continue to unravel the secrets of this ancient wonder, one thing remains clear: the allure of Stonehenge will persist, drawing us in with its enigma, its mystery, and its timeless allure.